Fire trucks lined Winding Hollow Road in Mequon Thursday morning. They were fighting an attic fire, one that left behind all of this.
So a lightning strike is what did this?
Yes, ma'am. At this time, that's the preliminary hypothesis.
Homeowner Sayush Shah says she never saw the bolt, but she heard it.
It was like a bomb. It was like a bomb went off. And I knew it fell somewhere, but I didn't know it was my home.
They didn't notice the smoke right away, but neighbors did and called it in.
Police was banging and we were in the basement. Nothing was working, so they couldn't ring the doorbells. They were about to break the door when I suddenly heard the big loud sound. So I ran upstairs and they said, no shoes, nothing, just run outside.
The initial hole on the front of the building was from the fire, and then the firefighters added holes to control the fire.
Fire officials say the fire and smoke was mainly contained to the attic, but the damage made its way to the first floor.
Debris covers the floor. The ceiling is now gone and beams up above charred. The Shaw family moved into the home only a month ago, but yet they say they are grateful.
Me and my husband just got up. It's just the house went. That's okay.
In Mequon, Hannah Hilliard, WISN 12 News.
Fire crews say they heard working smoke detectors in the home when they arrived.